Hi everyone, this is Kanu the Tarologer. Welcome back to my channel. This pick a card reading is about the exciting good news that is coming up soon in your life. The time frames of this good news are different for each pile and that will be revealed to you at the end of the readings. So go ahead and choose your pile. So that's pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. So take your time, you can pause the video. There is a meditation right after this intro which will help you to choose your pile and it is also linked in the description box. You need to go with your intuition and choose the pile that draws your attention the most. Timestamps are given below in the description box that is linked to your specific reading. Once you choose your pile, skip ahead to the timestamp where your readings begin. Also, I want to tell you that these are general readings, so there will be multiple messages for all of you and your intuition will guide you which message is for you. So watch the readings till the end. These messages are for your guidance and you are not bound by these readings. I also want to tell you that these are timeless readings, so doesn't matter whenever you are watching this, the readings are meant for you exactly for that time whenever you come across this video. Now I'm going to give you some time to meditate on the cards. So let's begin with the meditation and thereafter I'll begin with pile number 1. Hello group number 1. So we have 7 of Wands, 6 of Wands, Temperance and 8 of Wands as your tarot cards. So with all these cards I feel luck is favoring you because we have lot of Wands cards here. So Wands are quick. You are receiving this thing quickly. We'll come back to the time frame details later. Right now I want to begin with 7 of Wands. So here I feel that either you are dealing with competition around you or you are trying to protect yourself from something. It could be the people as well. Maybe you are struggling. I also feel like you have been or are still scared to come out, to open up about yourself, to come out of your comfort zone, or you are scared to ask something, or you are scared to come out in the public. But this card has Mars and Leo energy. So this kind of astrological combination indicates that you are coming out in the limelight. And next to it we have 6 of Wands. So again 6 of Wands indicates that you are receiving a good news where you are grabbing all the attention from the people around you for your hard work. You are receiving all the appreciation. This could also indicate that you are building up your audience. So this news could be related to where people are just liking what you are doing and you might see your target audience growing at a rate beyond your wildest dreams. This news could be related to getting sudden recognition or sudden fame, almost like getting overnight success. And this card has Jupiter in Leo energy. So Jupiter is all about expansion. It gives you abundance. It gives you financial rewards. Jupiter is also associated with business. So there could be a huge gain coming up in terms of finances in your business. And Temperance is ruled by Jupiter. So we also have Jupiter again. So a lot of expansion is coming up for your business. For some of you all, I feel some good news is coming up in regards to anything that you are currently pursuing as a hobby. It could also be related with sports, the government jobs, any art form where you are showcasing your talents in front of the public, like acting, singing, dancing. And this card makes me feel that you are not sure whether this will happen or not. Temperance is a card of balance, it shows you two sides. So you are like in this state of confusion where you are not certain whether this thing will happen or not. But with Eight of Wands, I feel you will receive this news unexpectedly. You will be stunned. It will happen all of a sudden, which will surprise you. Universe will surprise you with this good and exciting news, and this card also indicates traveling. So Jupiter also indicates traveling. And we also have Sagittarius energies here. This card holds Mercury in Sagittarius energies. So this news could be related to higher education, spiritual endeavors, spiritual traveling, communication fields, writing, publishing your content, anything related with social media. So basically, you are catching all the eyes and things are going to speed up because we have a lot of fiery energy here. Once you will receive this news, things will be so fast around you. You will be so engrossed with this good news. Maybe you will hardly find time for yourself. And we have full moon, surrender to the divine. Waxing moon, energy is gaining momentum. So full moon indicates the completion of one chapter in your life. It could also mean completion of the struggle, the end of the struggle. This card indicates your wishes coming true, but it will happen all of a sudden when you least expect it. And this card also indicates that if you are seeking some answers to the questions, then you will be receiving those soon. And waxing moon indicates that you are receiving a good news that you have already wished before. So you are about to manifest that into reality now. Your hopes and wishes are about to come to fruition. And the next card is if you believe and trust. So you have already put your faith in the supreme power, in the God, that this thing will manifest in your life. Your beliefs are turning into reality now. So congratulations to you that you have come this far and you have not lost your faith, and finally God is granting your wishes. And as far as time frame is concerned, so for some of you this news would be coming up in August, September, and for some of you this news will be coming up in Sagittarius season. So that is November, December. So that's all I have for you now. I hope this reading was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such Pekka card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 2. So we have Knight of Wands, the Hierophant, 7 of Cups and 2 of Cups as your tarot cards. So firstly, I'm going to begin with these cards, and in the end, I'll give you an approximate time frame to when you are going to receive this news. So with this card, I'm sensing that you are embarking on a journey. For some of you all, this will be an adventurous journey that's letting you to follow your heart, that is allowing you to follow your passion without thinking much about the consequences. For some of you all, I feel you are going on a spiritual journey, or you would be going on a journey that will give you peace of mind, that will help you add meaning to your life. For some of you all, I feel you are about to embark on a journey which will help you to pursue what you love doing the most. For some of you all, I also feel that maybe you are about to find your soulmate, and Hierophant is a card that indicates marriage, and even Two of Cups indicates that. So a proposal for marriage or a marriage ceremony could be the next exciting news for you. And for the others of you, I feel you are about to meet people who are your soul tribe, who are just like you, who are exactly on the same path as you are. And Hierophant, Seven of Cups and Two of Cups indicates that conflicts in your life are going to get resolved soon. I'm feeling like there's going to be the union of two hearts, union of two people, or union of two conflicts, if that makes sense. Actually, in these kind of readings, you really have to interpret as per your situation, like which of this reading fits where in your life. So let's get back to the reading. So Hierophant is ruled by Taurus, and Taurus is ruled by Venus. So this exciting news could be related with achieving any of your material and tangible goals. Venus also gives financial success. So money is definitely coming in. And here you can see the 7 cups here, and every cup is offering something to this lady. And she is choosing the heart. So this exciting news is going to be something that your heart wants. It's going to be something that you really wanted in your life. This is going to be something that you have been praying for since long. And with Two of Cups, I feel this news will help you to heal something in your life. It could be the relationship, it could be you. Maybe you would be healing yourself. For some of you all, I feel that this news will help you getting one step closer in achieving your goals. And after that, one level or one challenge would be left. But that's only specific to a few of you. And the next card is New Moon. A new start is coming. New Moon in Pisces, meditate and contemplate. So this exciting news is going to help you to restart everything in your life. Your life is going to change completely once you receive this news. So Pisces talks about your dreams, talks about romance, talks about spirituality. So there is a new start coming up in your romantic life. Or maybe you are going to the next level in your spiritual pursuits. You are going even deeper in your spiritual journey. Pisces is also the sign that indicates foreign travel. Maybe some of you would be changing location or traveling abroad or settling abroad. And the next card is Helpful People. Big happy changes. So people are going to be helpful. People will be playing a significant role in receiving this news. The people around you will turn supportive and will help you in bringing this new start in your life. And this card is self-explanatory. So this news will bring really big and happy changes in your life. And as far as the time frame is concerned, for some of you all, I am sensing that this news will be coming up in a few days from now. And for some of you all, this news will take a few months, like almost like 6 to 7 months from now, or from whenever you are watching this. So that's all I have for you now. I hope this reading was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such Pekka card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also, let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 3. So we have Knight of Swords, 8 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, and the Lovers as your tarot cards. So firstly, I'm going to begin with these cards, and then in the end, I'm going to give you an approximate time frame to when you can expect this news. So with Knight of Swords, I feel that something is coming up that will clear your vision or clear your path. This news will help you to charge ahead fearlessly, to move forward in your life. And in 8 of Pentacles and 3 of Pentacles, all people are working in these cards and they are so engrossed in their work. There could be something that you have been already working so hard on it for so long, and finally you are about to receive that news. So this news could be related to your work. This news could be related to change of place due to work. Some of you would be getting a news for a new job or a new career opportunity. And in all these 3 cards, people are focused on a particular goal and it is related to their work. So something significant could come across in regards to your career, and some people would come across to help you out. These cards makes me feel that you are either discovering a new idea or a particular way for accomplishing your goals, and that will help you to get noticed by people. You are going to discover or invent something that will bring out the best in you. Maybe some of you would be receiving any news related to any course or internship or some kind of training. For some of you, I feel people would like to join you in your journey, in your endeavors. And we have 2 Pentacles cards here. So that indicates some kind of monetary gain. So this news could bring money directly, or this news could bring money indirectly. Some of you could be artists and you would be getting recognition and performance payment for showcasing your talents, for showcasing your artworks. And in this card, the bond of these 2 people is very strong. So I feel something significant is coming up that will last for long. People would come out to help you. People would show interest in your work and they might want to sign you for a contract or any other kind of association. Some of you might be trying to overcome hurdles to carry on your work or to change your job, or maybe you are just trying to focus on your work, and something will come up soon that will help you to clear out those conflicts. I also feel that there could be someone in your life or at your workplace who is trying to create obstacles in your path and who is not letting you to work freely and independently, who's always trying to poke you. So the times are coming when that person will either just leave your path or you will kind of patch up with this person, or maybe they will try to resolve their issues with you. So peace will be restored in regards to this person and this situation. Either they will walk away or peace will get restored between you two. And we have waning moon. What do you need to release? And new moon eclipse. Expect powerful change. So this news will help you to release emotional baggage. For some of you, I feel something would be falling away, but that is happening only for your good. And once you release that, you will be able to clear your path ahead. You will be able to charge ahead freely. And with new moon eclipse, I feel new directions, new possibilities will get opened up with this news. This news can change your life completely, but only if you trust the path and if you have the courage to take up that path. Because I feel for some of you that when you will get this news and when you will have to follow that path, then you might have to let go of something or someone in your life. And all these changes are happening for your good. Once you do so, you will be at peace with yourself and there is nothing to fear. And the next card is remain positive and ask for help from others. So you need to remain positive whenever these changes will be happening in your life or even otherwise also, because these changes would be so powerful that they might shake you up a little bit for some time. That will happen only in the initial phase and all this is happening for your good. So embrace those changes. So don't get frightened up because people will be there to help you out and support you. Maybe for some of you, you need to ask help first, but you will receive it. People will be there to support you in this new journey. And as far as time frame is concerned, so this news would be coming up in the next few months. For some of you, it should be within 1 or 2 months, and for the rest of you, it would be within 7 to 8 months from now or from whenever you are watching this. For some of you all, I'm sensing the next summer or the Gemini season would be significant to you in regards to this good news. So that's all I have for you now. I hope this reading was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such pick a card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also, let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care.